Ready? Start. Suicide is the act or an instance of taking one's own life voluntarily and intentionally. Teenage is the transition phase of one's life. It is that time period when an individual witnesses the physical and psychological changes, and it becomes difficult for the young innocent minds to acclimatize to these changes. Over the years, teenage suicide has become one of the major causes of worry for our society. The increase in the number of suicide cases is the result of the rising peer, parental, and societal pressures and the inability of the teenagers to cope with it. The teenagers live in their own world of dream and fantasies that is completely different from the round realities. The harsh realities of life hit them hard. They have high expectations and aspirations in regards to their personal and professional lives, which, if are not fulfilled, lead to disappointment, resentment, and ultimately suicide. A lot of hormonal changes are taking place in their bodies, resulting in emotional distress. It becomes difficult for the teenagers to handle these changes, resulting in stress, disappointment, resentment, anger, and frustration in their lives. The teenagers are under the constant pressure to meet the expectations of their parents. Some parents are in a habit to compare their children with their siblings and friends who are better than them in different spheres. The metro rails, which are used as a mass transit, are environmental friendly than the other public transport facilities. Private vehicles emit about twice as much harmful gases and other volatile organic compounds which are harmful to the environment. The metro has been successful in reducing the number of cars on the road, which in turn reduces the pollution caused by individual cars. Besides, it has helped in reducing the congestion and traffic problems in different metro cities significantly. The metro has led to the commercial and economic development of the country by generating a number of jobs. Besides, the metro stations and corridors offer a business opportunity for different players. A large number of metro stations provide the site for advertisements. The metro stations offer different a large number of food joints, shopping outlets, and other such recreational sports. However, things have come to such a point that bureaucratic executives nexus have made such scams possible. CBI has come down hard on the accused by leaving no stone unturned and bringing the accused to justice. Similarly, police paraphernalia is used for ensuring security for vital installations and respite at the time of exigencies, disasters, management, terrorist attacks, etc. The duty of police is to ensure a sense of security among the citizens. Therefore, it is important that public places like airports, railway stations, markets to be kept safe from any untoward incidents where the role of police becomes very important. Role of police during 26/11 attacks, rescue relief operation during Uttarakhand floods are relevant in this regard. However, the image of police is not so respectful in India. Instances of police excesses, custodial deaths, indifference towards public complaints, high-handedness in dealing with the weaker sections of the society, insensitive attitude towards women, profligate use of force, etc. have been irritants in public police relations. Supreme Court in 2014 said that the means of police access on women and helpless people must be stopped by all, as it reproached the recent episodes of police excesses on a woman in Punjab's Taran district and on contractual teachers in Bihar. Even we are using this quotation since ancient era. It has its aspect in the present time as things have turned upside down in the society. The dowry system is as old as the institution of marriage. It is social evil prevalent not only in India but other parts of the world. Many of the traditional customs have been given up, but the custom of dowry has not only continued but flourished over the year. It reflects and perpetuates man's superiority over women and hence marks a mockery on the very idea of gender equality. In India, dowry refers to the durable goods, cash and real or movable property that the bride's family gives to the bridegroom, his parents, or his relatives as a condition of the marriage. It is essentially in the nature of a payment in cash of some kind of gifts given to the bridegroom's family along with bride. It includes cash, jewelry, furniture, crockery, and other household items that help the newly weds to set up their home. The system of dowry also prevailed during the ancient period. Parents of the bride provides gift, money, property and other household items to the girl out to their own wish. It was known as Stridhan and was justified as the pre-mortem right of the girl. Drug addiction is a condition characterized by an overwhelming desire to continue taking a drug. Stop.